we want to integrate 1 over 2x minus 1 cubed with respect to x. We could rewrite this as the integral of 2x minus 1 to the power minus 3. If we integrate the bracket, we get 2x minus 1 to the minus 2, increasing the power by 1, and then we divide by the new power. The differential of 2x minus 1 is 2, and so we multiply by a half, which is the same as dividing by 2. Remember, when we differentiate, we multiply by the differential of the inside function, so when we integrate, we divide by it. This gives us minus a quarter of 2x minus 1 to the power minus 2, which can be rewritten as minus 1 over 4 times 2x minus 1 squared plus a constant.